Our top story, controversial contractor Sara Diskaya may soon face arrest over a ghost flood control project in Davao Occidental. In his latest video message, President Bongbong Marcos said a warrant for Diskaya's arrest could be issued this week after he revealed that the substandard and allegedly non-existent project was linked to Diskaya's firm St. Timothy Construction. The president also said several public works personnel have sent surrender feelers to the National Bureau of Investigation. He earlier promised that those involved in the flood control anomaly would spend Christmas in jail.
Meron ding 8 taga-DPWH sa Davao Occidental na nagpadala na ng sulat na sila ay magsusurrender sa NBI dahil sa hinaharap nilang mga kaso. Inaasahan na rin nating lalabas ang warrant of arrest na ni Sara Diskaya itong linggong ito at hindi na rin magtatagal ang pag-aresto sa kanya. Magpapatuloy ang investigasyon, magpapatuloy ang pagpapanagot at titiyakin ng pamahalaan na ang pera ng bayan ay maibabalik sa taong bayan.
In the same address, President Marcos announced a freeze order on properties and bank accounts linked to Benguet Representative Eric Yap and ACT-CIS Representative Ed Vic Yap. According to the president, over 16 billion pesos in transactions flowed through Silver Wolves Construction Company from 2022 to 2025, mostly involving DPWH flood control projects.
Mga kababayan ko, naglabas na ang Court of Appeals ng freeze order laban sa mga bank account, ari-arian at sasakyang panghimpapawid na may kaugnayan sa mga anomalyang flood control project na iniimbestigahan ngayon ng gobyerno. Kailangan natin ang mga freeze order na ito para hindi maibenta ang mga ari-arian at para maibalik natin sa ating mga kababayan ang bawat pisong pinaghihinalaang ninakaw.